This is Mr. ROBOT-o. This is Mr. ROBOT-o saying hi, and refrigerator running, better go catch it right now. And I don't know, just go catch it. Pause this video and go catch it. With all the meat, cheeses, dairies, and other products you can buy at, if you live in Texas, HEB, or Mexico, or HEB, my home nation. Not really. You better go, catch it right now. Okay, confession time. I didn't really like the name Drastic. My cousin gave me it to it, and he seriously likes metal rock bands. And if you like them too, I'm not being mean, but I don't like them. So that's how I got the name. Don't really like it. So the manager really gets mad at me for making fun of it. I'm kidding, I don't make fun of it. So okay, thumbs up the video, and subscribe to my channel, my manager's channel, or the corporation channel, or the manager's channel. 10 minutes of annoying channel names, or the name of the channel. Sorry, I'm a little kid in the office. He was born yesterday. It's like 3 minutes already, but I'm just boring, Well, can you thumbs up the video and comment on the video? Tell me if you liked it, if you disliked it, if you think of some ideas, or if it needs to be improved. Yeah. A word from our manager, or manager, as I like to call him. Just kidding. I'm not. Today I learned 2 words and a way to put an arrow and an emotion that I found. Or if you few people who dig up dinosaur bones say, I went to the depths of my brain to look for this and the internet. So just watch. Please watch. Well, hope you liked the picture I drew on my computer. I've got a really fire editing guy. Bye!